Hello. Right. So today we will be fixing or trying to fix this controller with additional unit for levers. That's the engine throttle controls. Nice device, rather expensive and all. So let's get to the point. This unit works fine. We plug it in. We hear a beep, and basically it's okay. This unit, however, doesn't work. Let me show you quickly. Um, it has a USB-C connector. I plug it in, nothing, absolutely nothing. So first thing I want to do is I would like to try and attach the meter to see if it draws any power. Unfortunately, I can't get the meter on the camera, so just have to trust me on that. Okay, so the meter has 5 volts and at the moment 0 amperage, and let me connect. There is a very tiny draw of amperage, so there is a connection but nothing happening. So alright, let's take this unit apart and see what we're gonna find inside. Alright, so first thing I would like to investigate the connector, and doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad. So um, also what I would like to try is I would like to see if there is any change. 0.015. Let's switch the other way and see again. It's the same. 0.015. Alright, so yeah, time to disassemble the guy. So let's start with the basics. Let's investigate the power supply, which is located here. So let's get closer. The power supply is located here. And here we have it. Here we have it. Let's try go closer. Let's try zoom in on this thing. Okay. Okay. So I have something here. I have this little board here where I can test the pins. So let me plug this in like this. Now now I can do is check the connectivity from here to here, and we know if it's working or not. So let's try. And we're gonna start with the VCC pin. That should be red. And we have nothing. Well, this is what happens. And not nothing. All right. Let's try with the data line. Let's say yellow should be data line. Nothing. Or maybe this one. Nothing. Aha. There it is. All right. So D plus. Is it yellow? No. All right. That's actually a data line. Interesting. Let's plug this in here. And now we're just following this lead. Let's go to our let's go to our board and let's start with there is a ground marked here, or I can use ground here. And so I'll be using this ground. And let's start with this. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's a big capacitor. You know what? Let's go under microscope. Maybe we'll get a better view from the microscope. So here we are under the microscope, and first thing we're gonna do is we'll take ground here, and then we'll measure power. And as you can see, we have power. Now what we can do is we can measure the data pins, see if we have anything on the data pins. So let's try with first data pin, and we have half a volt. All right, and what's on another pin? We have a bit extra. All right. So next thing in our interest is this controller. This is the brains of this entire operation, and so here we have brains. Now what I'm interested first and foremost is these big capacitors indicates that they probably power supplies. There's another one here. So let's check if there's power to the unit, and let's measure this capacitor, and we have 3.3. Let's measure this unit, 3.3. Let's measure this unit, again power is there, and let's measure this unit. Alright, we have power. Now the other thing I'm interested is the data lines, and the data lines, we can follow the data lines. So the data lines, these two coming in into these two vias, and then they just go like here and here and here. So let's just follow them. They go here, they make a corner, and here and there they go here. So let's see if we have anything on the data lines. We have alright, second one. We have there. We have same voltages. So the chip has power, and it gets signals, and yet nothing happens, which basically indicates that this chip is faulty, because there is absolutely no handshake from the PC to the chip. Nothing, no recognition. Yeah, the board is really very simple device, and if this chip was working correctly, then we would have a connection, but because this chip is dead, it's basically nothing happens. So sadly, but there is no way forward for this device. And this chip as well, it has program inside, and basically it has read protection, so you can't even remove the program. And we could buy the new chip and I can replace it, but I can't program it because I don't have a program. And I don't think the makers would give me even if I ask. So sadly, but this probably is the end of the road for this unit. Well, some of them you can fix and some of them you can't. I guess this guy will have to go to a warranty.